It is not often in the tropics that you get two named storms so close together. Now, frequently we get more than one active storm, especially in September, but Imelda and Umberto are only roughly 570 miles apart. And what's also interesting is that there's going to be very little interaction in the near term. That Fujiwara effect that we were talking about, not really playing a big role in this. Now, still a very powerful Hurricane Umberto. It did peak over the weekend as a Category 5, still a powerful Category 4 storm. Now, the good news for Bermuda is that the core of the storm will stay offshore and it will be weakening. However, it is going to be close enough that Bermuda will get impacted by the storm. Tuesday going into Wednesday, and then by Wednesday afternoon, the storm is moving out. The problem for Bermuda is by Wednesday, Imelda is going to be setting its sights on the island. Right now, a tropical storm, but thunderstorm activity continuing to circle the center, and this is trying to get better organized, and the expectation is that maybe by tonight it will be a Category 1. So as Umberto is moving away from Bermuda, we have Imelda moving toward the island. So it'll be kind of a 1-2 punch. Again, thankfully for Bermuda, Umberto's core, the strongest winds, the heaviest rainfall, will be staying offshore, but still kind of a 1-2 punch for the island. And beyond that, there's one little area that I picked up on in the Gulf. There is this broad little surface circulation with almost no thunderstorms around it. The Euro kind of sniffing out a low chance of development, just something to point out. None of the models indicating anything there. What really changed over the weekend was the upper pattern. We had thought at one time that this upper low would kind of draw Imelda toward it. Really, more than anything, it has now created kind of a shield. Dry air and strong wind shear. Imelda cannot move into that, which is why it is going to get turned away. Now, eventually, this upper level low is going to play a role in our forecast. As Imelda and Umberto move away, this low slowly moves toward us, and what it does is it helps to create instability, so clouds and rain are in our forecast. As that upper low settles in starting Wednesday, we'll begin to see an increase in cloud cover. That upper system plus an easterly wind will also increase our rain chances. Not talking about heavy rains by any means, but at least with an increase in cloud cover and better rain chances, our temperatures start coming down. So it does look to be a little bit wetter this weekend. Not a washout, but about 30-40% chance as we head into especially Sunday and Monday. We need the rainfall, and that's the best opportunity we're going to have to at least see some more fall-like temperatures with highs in the 80s. It was another sunny day today and a high of 93, only 1 degree off of the record. We are running way too hot for this time of year. Normal is 86. A lot of sunshine outside right now, 92 degrees. At least the humidity isn't bad. A dew point of 63, so there isn't much of a heat index. 92 feels like 92, but for almost October, we need to cool down. 80s and low 90s on the map right now, with our dew point still ranging in that 60s, generally in the 60s, and that is going to be the case really through the end of the week. By early next weekend, maybe Sunday and by Monday, that easterly wind will eventually start increasing our humidity a bit. With a few more showers in the forecast, I don't think anybody's going to complain. Again, not a washout this weekend, but definitely better opportunity for some rain. And again, not a cold front. Highs over the next couple of days, lower 90s. It'll be clouds and rainfall that send our temperatures into the mid 80s by the end of the week and weekend.